You can expect a lot from the 2019 Kia Sportage. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.